Today we demonstrate BMW G-chassis BDC3 function. For this operation, you need to prepare KeyTool Plus MCU cable, DB15 cable. 1. Read vehicle information. Click to enter G-chassis BDC03 BCPMO system. Read vehicle information. In this demo, we choose manual VIN input. You can also read vehicle information through BD. Data reading successful. 2. Read original car key. Refer to the connection diagram. Find the correct pin positions. There are color differences between the new and old version cable. Please distinguish them according to the diagram and solder correctly. Solder the 4 wires on the MCU cable to the corresponding points on the original key. Note: pay attention to the wire colors, especially MSD and MSCL. Do not connect them wrongly. Connect the soldered cable to KeyTool Plus. After connection, click Read. Reading successful. Click OK to save the original key data file. Upload the original key data to generate the service file. Click OK to save the service file. Original key information reading successful. You can further generate dealer key. 3. Generate dealer key. Method 1. Generate using original factory key. Remove the cable soldered on the original key. Note: do not pull the cable directly. Use a soldering iron to gently melt the solder to avoid damaging the original key. Then solder MCU cable to the original factory key used for generation. After soldering, return to KeyTool Plus interface. Click Yes. Generate using original factory key. Click OK to load the saved service file. After checking the wiring again, click Write. After writing is finished, dealer key is generated successfully. Method 2. Generate using the VVDI dedicated key. First, you need to complete the remote generation. Enter the remote program menu. Select the BMW model. Take out the prepared VVDI BMW dedicated key. Follow the instructions to complete remote generation. After the remote generation is successful, return to Generate Dealer Key interface. Select No Generate using the VVDI dedicated key. Load the saved service file. Place the generated BMW G-chassis key on the device coil. Start the generation process. Wait for the prompt. Key generation successful. Tip: after generating the key, please unplug and replug the battery, then verify the key functions.